Today we are going to learn how to stop Facebook tags appearing on your wall post. Hey guys, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Click here on this drop down menu and go to settings. Go to timeline and tagging. Here in this review part you can turn on these two options. So next time when somebody tags you a photo or post, it will not appear on your wall post unless you review and accept it. If you are on a mobile device, tap here on this menu and go to settings and privacy. Then tap on settings. Tap on timeline and tagging. Here on the review part, you can turn on these two options. That's it guys. Please like, comment and subscribe to the channel Sir Chogyal. Thanks for watching and stay technically sound.